morning YouTube, and welcome to my channel Jules Craft Room. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. I'd ummed and ahed about getting a second machine, sewing machine, so that I could do free motion embroidery, have the machine set up for it, but also I can continue with normal sewing because I have a Singer already. So I looked on the internet and I found a very reasonable price machine. Didn't recognise the brand, but looked at the reviews, and I went on YouTube and checked out some of the reviews there, and I was well impressed. So I decided to get the Uten, and I'll put a link there, from Amazon. It was £209, free delivery, and it's got 200 stitches including letters. It has a facility to drop the feed dogs, and it's got front top loading bobbin and a stop start, so all the sort of extras that you want from a machine. So right, let's get into unboxing it then. Right, so literally haven't had it open yet. It arrived yesterday. So well packaged. Hopefully nothing's broken, because that is always a risk. We've got the foot pedal, and the power lead. And down here we have the manual. In several languages. It has English, Italian, Dutch, no, is that German, I think that is, and French and Spanish. So lots of manuals, and I think this must be like a quick reference manual, this one here, and also a cover by looks of it, just standard cover, so that's good. So we'll put those to one side. Right, and then it's got two pieces of polystyrene either side supporting it. I'm going to see if I can, oh, this must be, yes, it comes with an extension table, which is ideal. That was included, so that is fab, because when you're doing embroidery or quilting or anything like that, it's always handy. And that is the brand there. So yes, that's great. Right, let's see if we can get it out now. I think I've got everything else out. It's not that heavy. Let's take the polystyrene off. There's one. There we are. So you can see that's the machine. It's not at all heavy. That's the front loading bobbin. It's also got stop start and needle position, which I thought was fantastic. It means that you can get it to automatically stop with when you take your foot off the pedal. It automatically stops with the needle down in the fabric, which is great when you want to pivot it to do your work, especially if you're doing like embroidery and stuff like that, or going around corners. It's also got automatic needle threader which is fantastic. It's also got speed, so you can go low, medium and fast, which I've never seen before on a machine. It's digital, and these are all the stitches. So you can see there is a vast amount of stitches. So yes, and like I say, it's pretty lightweight. It doesn't seem to have the spool holder here, so I don't know whether I have to get my own. But let's have a look. I believe there's a toolkit in here somewhere. I can work out how it comes out. I did watch a video, so I think you've got to slide, that's it. And then this is where the tools are. So yes, so we've got the automatic button hole maker. We've got, this is a sample of some of the stitches it does. Some of those look really pretty, don't they? I love the dogs, the sausage dogs. Oh my God, I have to do something for my daughter. She loves sausage dogs. And in here, there is a variety of things. Now this is obviously to put on here to hold the cotton reel on so it doesn't ping off. We've got a brush with a unpicker. We've got that to go on there so that you can have thread up there or here, whichever you decide. There's some needles in there. Oh, and you get a double needle as well. That's quite clever. This looks like, I don't know what that could be. That looks like it could be a hemming foot. Then that looks like a standard foot, a zip foot. I don't know, that maybe is some sort of embroidery foot. And then you've got 3 bobbins and a screwdriver. So, and I'm not sure what that is. That obviously that must be to undo something. So yes, so that is all the attachments. And like I say, you also get the table, which while we've got this off, we can try it on. And I was told that you put this foot down first, slide it on, and then what's missing? It has to clip into something. Ah, yes, I can see. There. And then you've got another support that comes down. Yeah, support that comes down. So yes, so very pleased with that. Hours of fun, I think. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.